Winston C., our digital expert, is back with the latest. Now, we're going to talk about something GoPro. Is it real? Is it not? Are we duped again?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago, we showed the pig video. The guy who was skydiving and the GoPro fell off, and the pig found it in a random field.
Lands in a pig pen.
And we thought it was fake, right?
I did, because there wasn't even a speckle of mud on the lens, and the pig just happens to be smelling. No.
Yeah, now there's another one. A guy leaves his GoPro near a monkey cage, and a monkey picks it up, and this is what happens.
Be the judge. This one is more believable looking.
So it looks pretty real. And
you
he
see the
takes
monkey's
it,
body.
and the monkey is smart enough. You'll see that he starts to take the camera apart, and the guy wants his camera back. He starts yelling at the end because it's a $500 GoPro camera, and these GoPro cameras aren't cheap.
Okay, so how did he get the camera back then to be able to show this footage and acquire the tape, right?
Isn't that so cute? There's a little selfie there.
Okay, so this one I do buy. That doesn't look like any sort of...
It looks pretty real.
Yeah, this is real. This happened. That monkey's gone ape over this.
He's gone ape. Yeah, so that's the video. We'll have the full link at breakfasttelevision.ca.
The video's bananas.
Bananas. On another level of cute, this one New York City girl and her mom like to make dresses out of tissue paper and different colored paper.
Not just dresses.
But they're celeb-inspired.
Iconic
Let's take a look at a couple of them.
Gowns.
This is Lupita Nyong'o. Isn't this adorable?
From the Golden Globes.
From
like,
the
that's
Golden
made out of
Globes.
tissue paper.
Here's another one.
And look at this little model. She's so cute.
Katy Perry.
This is unbelievable.
Taylor Swift.
I mean, that's not easy to recreate.
It's not easy to recreate. I mean, look at the detail on that. You can see the red tissue paper and the yellow tissue paper.
And look at this mini Coco Rocha in the making. I mean, she's got the posing down.
And this is my favorite one, of course, from the Golden Globes as well,
yes.
Jennifer Lawrence.
Yeah,
and
that one took off, and it's pretty easy to do. But the other ones, I got to say, with the embroidery, very impressive. And gets us all geared up for all things Oscars this Sunday. They're going to have more to pick from after that, right?
Absolutely, yeah. And they have an Instagram account gone viral, and we'll have a link to that as well online.
Very cool. And you can always tweet up Winston at Winston C for more of this on Twitter. We'll be back with more BT to wrap up the show right after the break.